The iPhone 17 Pro and Canon EOS R6 Mark II represent two very different approaches to capturing images and video. The iPhone is a compact, all-in-one smartphone with advanced computational photography, while the Canon is a dedicated full-frame mirrorless camera designed for professional photographers and videographers. Released in September 2025, the iPhone 17 Pro builds on Apple's Pro series with enhanced AI-driven features and a triple 48-megapixel camera system. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II, launched in 2092 but still highly relevant in 2025, excels in interchangeable optics and raw sensor performance. This comparison focuses on key aspects relevant to photography and videography, such as sensor quality, lenses, autofocus, shooting speed, video capabilities, stabilization, portability, battery life, and price, while touching on broader usability. I'll use a table for structured side-by-side details, followed by analysis and a recommendation. Photography strengths image quality. The Canon's full-frame sensor delivers unmatched dynamic range, up to 14 stops, and low noise performance in RAW files, making it ideal for landscapes, portraits, and prints larger than 20 by 30 inches. The iPhone's 48-megapixel sensors shine in computational modes like Smart HDR5 and photographic styles, producing vibrant, share-ready JPEGs. But they can't match the Canon's depth in controlled lighting or high-contrast scenes. Versatility. Canon's interchangeable lenses allow endless creativity, e.g. macro, ultra telephoto, while the iPhone's fixed system is limited but excels in macro, 48-megapixel close-ups, and ultra-wide for vlogs. For wildlife or sports, Canon's 40 FPS burst and Animal Eye AF Edge out the iPhone's 10 FPS. Creative controls. Both offer Pro RAW manual modes, but Canon provides tactile dials for precise exposure, ISO tweaks. iPhone relies on touch gestures and AI for point-and-shoot pros, videography, strengths resolution and codecs. iPhone's WAV 120p ProRes and Dolby Vision are filmmaker-friendly for quick edits in iMovie, with seamless spatial video for Apple Vision Pro. Canon's 4K RAW external and Focus 60p internal, uncropped, suit Pro Productions, with better color grading in Log 3, stabilization and tracking. Both are excellent, but Canon's IBIS Plus lens combo handles gimbal-free runs better, while iPhone's action mode stabilizes casual clips effortlessly. Audio/accessories. Canon has mics or headphone jacks. iPhone uses adapters but integrates spatial audio natively. Usability and practicality, portability and workflow. The iPhone wins for on-the-go shooting. It's your phone, camera, and editor in one. Uploads to social media are instant. Canon requires setup, lens changes, tripods, but rewards with pro-grade files for Adobe Suite workflows. Battery and durability. iPhone lasts longer for mixed use. Canon needs spares for all-day shoots. Learning curve. iPhone is beginner-friendly with auto modes. Canon demands more skill but offers deeper control. Value and cost. At $1,099, the iPhone bundles a full smartphone, 5G, apps, security updates for 7+ years. The Canon at $1,099 body plus lenses, now $500+, totals $2,300+. But it's a specialized tool with 5-7 year relevance before upgrades. Which one is the best choice? The Canon EOS R6 Mark II is the best choice for anyone prioritizing professional-grade photography or videography. Its full-frame sensor, interchangeable lenses, and raw performance delivers superior image quality, low light handling, and creative flexibility that the iPhone simply can't replicate, especially for prints, events, or cinema workflows. In 2025, comparisons, e.g., against iPhone 16, 17 series, The R6 II consistently outperforms smartphones in detail and dynamic range, even as phone cameras close the gap computationally. That said, if your needs lean toward casual/hybrid use, e.g. your travel vlogs, social media, or an all-in-one device, the iPhone 17 Pro is more practical and cost-effective. Ultimately, best depends on your workflow. Dedicated pros should go Canon, everyday creators, iPhone. If budget allows, consider both. The iPhone as a backup to the R6 II,